Hi guys, it's me Nance. I'm going to school with you guys, so I want to prepare myself. Let me show you outside before I get late. It's not late, let me show you. That's how outside looks. It was drizzling if you look there. So yeah, it was drizzling a bit. Let me. I'm gonna drink tea first, guys. So I go to school. Guys, if you want one of these, go to this place that it's called. I don't know the name, but if you go to N-Neighbors, you'll find one of these. It's called yeah, you can write. Let me show you. That's how it's drink tea. So guys, I'm drinking tea. Boy, and I have some orange. I'm gonna brush apple. So let me drink first.